Okay, so this is section 1.1, number 61. You're supposed to find the x and y intercepts for this equation. And so to do that, just like you've been doing on the other problems where you find the x and y intercepts, you need to replace x with 0 in order to find the y-intercepts, because x will be 0 when you're on the y-axis. If we replace x with 0, we're going to have 0 minus 3 squared over 4 plus y minus 4 squared over 9 equals 1. And so on the left side there, you've got negative 3 squared, which is going to be 9. So 9/4 plus y minus 4, 20 squared over 9 equals 1. And then you can subtract 9/4 on both sides, and you're going to have y minus 4, 20 squared over 9 is equal to 4/4, which is 1, minus 9/4, which is going to be negative 5/4. Okay, and this is where you're going to see that you have a contradiction, because in this fraction right here, this thing that is supposed to equal negative 5/4, the numerator is a perfect square, which means this is definitely positive, and the denominator is 9, which is positive. So you have a positive over a positive, and it's supposed to equal negative 5/4. That cannot happen. So that is a contradiction, and therefore there is no y-intercept. Because when you try to replace x with 0, you get a contradiction. So there is no y-intercept. And the same thing you can see is going to happen when you replace y with 0. If you replace y with 0 to find the x-intercept, you're going to end up with 16/9 here. And when you subtract that on both sides, you're going to get a negative number. And then x minus 3 quantity squared over 4 is supposed to be negative, but it actually can't be negative because that's a perfect square, and that is 4, which is positive. So what happens here is you try to find the x and y intercepts, and you end up with this contradiction that a perfect square is supposed to equal a negative number, and that can't happen.